Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Vlogmas day number 9. Yes, we're making it through, although I did miss 6 and 7. But anywho, so I said every day that I'm gonna show y'all different things that I'm taking with me to Jamaica. Things are coming like how you say it, like every day something different is coming. I ordered things one time, but for some reason they're breaking down these deliveries like piece by piece by piece by piece by piece. It's very, very annoying. I'm not understanding what that's about, but so be it. So I got up this morning, took Royalty to school. The weather's actually really nice today. I wore my headband. I got this from H&M. Keeps your ears warm. So yes, I don't know what they really call these. I don't know, but I love it because it keeps my ears warm, and that's important. So what I received last night was a wig. So I told y'all that I'm gonna be doing clip-ins, and I'm going to be doing a half a wig, and that is just very minimal to me. Like, I don't want to do a lace wig. I was gonna do a lace wig, a curly one, but I was just like, I really feel like having to make sure it's secure and going through all of that. I really don't. So I'm gonna be perming my hair, and I know how to, like, you know, twist up the little front, put the half wig on, and there you go, good to go. So this is the wig that I'm gonna be taking. Freetress equal the luxury integration drawstring full cap half wig. Juicy girl, that's her. I did not get that color because anytime I do hair that is synthetic, to me it's good to kind of stay within the 1B, the number 1 and the number 2. But my hair color is 1B, so this is good for me. So this is the packaging. Comes with the nets. Comes with the tissue inside. Okay, here go the combs at the top, and then you have a comb in the back. And not that this feels like it would be like 100% secure, but once you put it on, I usually like pin the sides and stuff. But this is the hair, this is the curl, which I thought was really, really cute and flowy. And remember, you can mousse it, you can get it wet. I'll probably most likely wear this maybe when like going to the beach, going to the pool, little outings. But yeah, it'll be between this and my clip-ins. So I like the curl, very natural, just mousse it. If it rains, it's all good. Yeah, so this is gonna be it. Okay, let me see a little bit how this looks. Okay, so yes, this is how it would look. I didn't do anything to the front yet. All I did was put the wig on just for y'all to get an idea of how it's going to look. But I am going to fix up the front, make it look a little bit more natural, kind of twirl my hair with the curls, bringing it to the front. But this right here, and from the back, you see, it's a good length too. I love this. I find the wig and then I go to YouTube and look at the people who did like the reviews and stuff on it and see how I like it, see how they put it on, how they wore it, and it kind of gives me a feel, oh, okay, I'm kind of feeling that. I feel like I could rock that. But if you know me, you know I love a curly wig, and y'all, this wig was only $19 freaking. So I'm definitely putting it in the description if you want to order. And they said, I see on the picture, where is it? Here, that she got this in a ponytail. That's kind of cute too, if you want a big curly ponytail. But this is exactly how I'm gonna wrap it. It's a good length. I don't want no long hair. I can wear my little earrings and be cute. Yeah, so I'm feeling this. I like this a lot. With a dress, some sandals, bathing suit attire, whatever. This is definitely go-to. I don't know. Them clip-ins, they might be put down. It depends. But I like this a lot. Just put some mousse. Get your water bottle. Shh, you good to go. Yeah, so this is it. And this is, again, Juicy. This is Juicy Girl by Freetress Equal. This is the one. All right, you guys. So, yeah. I'm actually also looking for like a little necklace because I did have a nice little diamond chain. But for some reason that I had ordered like in a set. But every time I buy jewelry, my daughter is always like wanting to dress up in my stuff. That's why I'm not really a huge fan of like jewelry that's 100% real diamond and certain stuff. If I buy anything that is real gold, real diamond or anything like that, I definitely have to put it up and make sure she gets nowhere near it. So, but yes. So this one will be in the description, and today I am just going to clean up a bit as I always do. It's like, if you're a mother, then you know. Cleaning is every day. It just is. I don't know why that's a thing, but it's a thing. This was something else that I also ordered, which is it's by Travel Inspira. And it is basically it's a luggage scale, basically. And you tie this part around your luggage. You put it through, put it on. Then you pick it up, right? You press, you see, that comes on. It goes to 0. You attach it to your luggage. Then you pick it up. And it lets you know how much your luggage weighs. Because you know when you get to the when you get to the airport, when that luggage is over 50 pounds, they want you to pay that extra $100. Negative. America always find a way to make you spend more money. It's bad enough I got to pay you freaking $35, $45 just to check my bag. Like, that should be free. Checking your bag should be free unless it's over the amount, and your carry-on should always be free. Like, I'm not understanding, but whatever. That's just the world we live in. So yeah, so this also is something good to have. It's necessary, especially if you travel. This is necessary to have. Yeah, so that's about it. I had my coffee already. I had my breakfast. Spent some morning time with my husband before he left to work. And yeah, we're getting closer to the time to counting. So on either Thursday or Friday, I'm going to go get my wax and stuff. And I'm going to take you guys with me to do that. Today is Monday. Vlogmas day 9. Tomorrow I have to take Royalty to her doctor's appointment. So I'm trying to situate everything this week so that Monday I can relax. I don't really have much to do. And yeah, so I'm just, yeah. So thank you guys for watching this. I know this is not a long video today, but every day I am going to be posting as much as I can because it is Vlogmas. Christmas is coming and I am so happy. I love Christmas. And again, I'm grateful and thankful that I get to spend Christmas in another country. I'm very, very happy about that, to be able to experience that. And you guys are on the journey with me. So I'm looking forward to it. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you have the day that you deserve. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Join the Sade Boo crew. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow.